haven't applied anything on my face. I just did my brows off camera. For moisturizer today, I will be using the Pixi On Glow Multi-Use Moisture Stick. I haven't used this before, so I'm excited to try this out. So basically this is a travel friendly solid moisturizer, and you can use this on your face, lips, body and on your hair. And basically you just have to apply it like that and you're good to go. This is really interesting. I haven't used anything like this before. So let's see how this works. It's really thick. It has that balm texture. And I think this will work the best during the winters, and if your skin is feeling very dry, I think this will work great for very dry skin. So today I'll start with my eye makeup. And firstly, I will use the Elegant Pro Concealer. To blend this out, I will be using the Henaahainaa Beauty Dabble Precision Sponge. For the transition shade, I will be using the Kiko Milano Wet n Dry eyeshadow in the shade 19. This is a really beautiful yellow color. So I'm just going to take this on a very small precision brush, and I will be applying this on my crease. After using this color, I'll be using the Morphe 35P eyeshadow palette, and I'll take this bright pink shade. It's a really beautiful Barbie pink color, and I'll apply this on the outer portions of my eye. I'm going to use this shade to add dimension and add depth to my eyes. Now taking some black shadow, I'm going to apply this only on the outer portions. Next, I'll create a half cut crease, and I'll be using the Elegant Pro Concealer. So now that's done. I will be using this shade right here from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'll apply this using my finger. Of this color, I'll be using this shade right here. So now to dust off the fallouts, I'll be using the Sigma Powder Sweep brush in the number F06. For the primer, I'll be using my all-time favorite, the Benefit Porefessional. For the foundation today, I'll be using the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I am in this shade True Toffee. And I'll blend this using the same sponge. Next, for the concealer, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan. Taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. This concealer is a little light for my complexion, so I like to use this concealer to highlight my features. So I'll apply this under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead. This blender is so good, you guys, and I will highly recommend you guys to purchase this. be down in the description box below. So to set the concealed areas, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. And I'm just going to pick the product on the sponge itself. For the bronzer, I'll be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I'll apply this using a big fluffy brush. Next, I will be using the Glamaroma blush and highlighter today. Just be careful because this blush is very pigmented. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. The Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara on my upper lashes. I'm going to take the same highlighter and apply it on my brow bone. And I will also apply this on the inner corners of my eyes. For the lashes today, I will be using the Henaahainaa Beauty lashes in the style SHIZAA. These lashes are so gorgeous. Next, to smoke out my lower lash line, I will be using this orange shade from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Next, I'll set my face using the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Mist in the flavor Lavender. For the lips, I'll be using the Gerard Cosmetics Lip Pencil in the shade Sugar and Spice. The Gerard Cosmetics Bullet Lipstick in the shade Vintage Rose. To have that pouty effect, I'll be using the shade just on the center of my lip. That's it, you guys. I just curled my hair and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think of this look? Before leaving, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.